In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change vocal pitch in Suno AI. Whether you're aiming for brighter, higher vocals or a deeper, warmer delivery, I'll walk you through two easy methods so you can guide the voice that Suno generates with clear, predictable results. Start by going to sunoi.com and logging in. From your dashboard, head to Create. You can open an existing song or start a new one. Both approaches work the same for pitch control. Method 1 is the easiest. Change pitch using the style prompt. In the style prompt field, be very explicit about the kind of voice you want. For a higher pitch, type phrases like high-pitched vocals, bright female voice, and energetic tone. For a lower pitch, use descriptors like deep male vocals, low tone, and warm delivery. Short, focused phrases tend to work best. Put your pitch direction near the beginning of the prompt so it isn't lost among genre or mood details. You can combine these with your style notes such as genre or era, but avoid conflicting terms on the same line. When your prompt is set, click Generate. If the result feels close but not perfect, refine the wording, make it simpler or stronger, and try again. Small tweaks to phrasing often produce a noticeable shift in pitch and tone. Method 2 uses meta tags directly in your lyrics, which is great for changing pitch by section. Open the lyrics box, then add voice instructions in brackets so Suno treats them like stage directions. For example, place high vocals before a line to lift the delivery. High vocals, this is my moment. For a lower, fuller chorus, you could write chorus deep voice, we rise tonight. Keep these tags concise and use clear language like high vocals, deep voice, or low tone. Place the tag either on its own line right before the lyric or at the start of the line. Consistency helps the model interpret your intent. Avoid mixing opposite directions in the same spot and repeat the tag at the start of new sections if you want that quality to continue. When your lyrics and tags are ready, generate the song. To recap, use the style prompt for a quick global pitch shift and use bracketed meta tags in the lyrics to control pitch by parts of the song. Clear, specific wording is the key to getting the voice you're imagining.